First things first, street food. In Budapest, that means langos. Deep-fried dough, crispy outside, fluffy inside, topped with garlic, sour cream, and cheese. This isn't just food, it's an experience, a taste of authentic Budapest street culture. Pure, unadulterated, cheesy, garlicky, sour, creamy goodness. Let's do this. Fueled by that epic langos, it's time to dive deeper into the Budapest food scene. The Great Market Hall, massive, historic, buzzing with energy. Fresh produce, vibrant paprika, and kolbász sausages everywhere. Upstairs, more food stalls with Hungarian specialties. This is ground zero for understanding Hungarian flavors. Immerse yourself, connect with the place. You can't come to Hungary and not talk about goulash. Good, authentic goulash doesn't have to break the bank. We found a local spot with a massive steaming bowl for less than $10. Tender beef, potatoes, carrots, and a rich, paprika-infused broth. This is comfort food, the heart of Hungary in a bowl. Eat like a king in Budapest without spending like one. Let's talk sights. The Hungarian Parliament building, an absolute monster. Breathtaking from across the Danube, especially at sunset or night. Soaking it all in, taking photos, totally free. This is world-class sightseeing, completely on the house. Fisherman's Bastion on Buda Castle Hill, straight out of a Disney movie. Neo-Gothic turrets, elegant arches, and sweeping panoramic views. Wandering around, soaking in those killer views, free. Built to celebrate Hungary's 1000th birthday. Perfect for epic Instagram shots. Top-tier Budapest, a must-see. Next to Fisherman's Bastion, you've got the colossal Buda Castle. Exploring the vast courtyards, statues, fountains, and gardens, free. The scale is immense, almost overwhelming. Photo opportunities, endless. Prime Budapest real estate, a world-class attraction. Get up here, explore, let your imagination run wild. Some experiences are about reflection, about remembering. The shoes on the Danube bank, a powerful moving memorial. 60 pairs of rusted iron shoes, a tribute to those shot into the Danube during World War II. Visiting this memorial is free, but its impact is profound. A place for quiet contemplation, for paying respects. A must-see, a moment to pause, to remember. Budapest's legendary thermal baths, Széchenyi Thermal Bath. A full-day ticket can be a splurge, but there are ways to do it smarter. Look for off-peak deals or cheaper, shorter stays. Other smaller, more affordable thermal baths are also an option. Experiencing these thermal waters is quintessential Budapest, a little slice of Budapest life you shouldn't miss. One of my favorite things to do get lost. The historic Jewish Quarter, perfect for spontaneous exploration. Hidden courtyards, udvars, oases of calm or quirky charm. Unexpected street art, tiny cafes, artisan shops, a treasure hunt, a constant discovery. Let your curiosity guide you through the Jewish Quarter. Pro tip for budget travelers, free walking tours. Free usually means tip-based, but it's incredible value. Local guides show you highlights, tell stories, give context, practical tips, where to eat, what to avoid, how to use public transport. A great way to get your bearings and learn a ton. Unbeatable way to kickstart your Budapest adventure. Budapest, done on a budget. We ate incredible food, saw jaw-dropping sights soaked in history, all under $50 a day. Budapest proves you don't need big bucks for big adventure. My top money-saving tips. Multi-day transit pass, eat at markets, free walking tours, stay in local guest houses. This city has a piece of my heart now. Go explore. Go get lost. Go eat all the goulash and langos you can handle. Hit that like button, drop your favorite Budapest spot in the comments, and subscribe for more budget travel adventures.